My people, how una dey? My name na Bibi. We go continue our journey for the book of Genesis. We don see how God take start everything. Now, make we check how e take bring plants, sun, moon, stars come life, and wetin we fit learn from am. Genesis chapter 1 verse 11 to 13 show us how God take create plants. God come talk say, make grass, tree and crops wey dey bear fruit grow for ground, and e happen like that. See as God make sure say food go dey for man and animal before e even create them. The land come bring out different kind plants, trees wey dey carry fruit and crops wey dey produce seed. God see say e good. That na how the third day take waka go. The lesson wey we learn from Genesis chapter 1 verse 11 to 13 be say, God no just create the world, He prepare everything wey go make life easy even before He even create man. E show say God dey plan well, and we too suppose get sense to plan our life. Now we wan look wetin Genesis chapter 1 verse 14 to 19 talk. E show us how God take create sun, moon and stars. God come talk say, make light dey for sky to separate day from night and make them show seasons, days and years. God sabi arrangement o. He make things wey go help us count time and organize life. Make them shine for sky to give us light for earth, and e happen like that. God come make two big lights, sun to rule for day, moon to shine for night, and He also make stars. He no just put ordinary light o, He arrange am well. Big sun, bright moon and plenty stars wey dey beautify night. God put them for sky to shine light for earth, to separate day from night and to show wetin be good arrangement. God see say e good. That na how the fourth day take waka go. Now, the lesson wey we learn from Genesis chapter 1 verse 14 to 19 be say, God set everything in order. Day for work, night for rest. If God sabi organize things like this, why we no go arrange our life well? Time no be play thing o, make we use am well. We go end with Genesis chapter 1 verse 20. How God take create fish and birds. God talk say, make water full with fish and plenty sea creatures, and make birds dey fly for sky. And it happen like that. The lesson wey we learn from Genesis chapter 1 verse 20 be say, God dey create different things wey go balance nature. Birds dey sing, fish dey swim. Everything get in place for life. You too get your place. No look down on yourself. You fit ask yourself, how this one take benefit us? Plant give us food, medicine and oxygen. Without them, we no go fit survive. Sun give us light, warmth and energy. Imagine world without sun, everywhere go dark, cold and nothing go grow. Moon and stars help sailors, farmers and timekeeper. Even scientists dey use stars understand space. Birds and fish dey balance environment and give us food. God no create anything wey no get purpose. How you fit use this one for your life? My people, see how God arrange everything before He even bring man come life. He no just create anyhow, He get plan. So wetin be your own plan for life? You dey use wetin God give you well? God don give you time, talent and opportunity. How you dey use am? You dey arrange your life well, or you just dey waste am? If you enjoy this Bible talk, abeg make you subscribe, like and share, so many people go hear this word of God. You fit also drop your comment. Wetin you learn from today's message? God bless you. We go see for the next episode. Una bye.